welcome back. Welcome so much. This is Katia Volino. If you're coming into this channel for the first time, do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe, and also smash that notification bell. A lot of you guys browse into this channel to watch videos and you're not subscribed. What's holding you guys? What's up, guys? Subscribe. Anyways, guys, I love you guys so much for all your time, for stopping by. So I did a video last week where I promised to share my income in one particular video, because that video made me like kind of popular on YouTube. It's not my most viewed video. It's not my most it's not my most viewed video. It's not the video that made me the most money. I try to choose something in between. So I have some videos that has almost like 7 million views, and then I have other videos that are at 1 million views. But I decided to pick this video in the middle because a lot of people know that video, and yeah, so it's like it's something that people can reckon me with, that particular video. Maybe if you watch that video you will understand what I'm talking about. So I want to dive into the computer to share with you guys the amazing secret of how much I made in that video and still making money from that video today, and why I choose to go back to making those kind of videos. So this is the video we're talking about here. This video. So this video today, it had made me 2.2 million views from the time that this video was uploaded. This is the views. If you are a viewer, you will see these, but you don't see this section here that says time, watch time. This is watch time, 127.5K of watch time. So this video was done in 2017. So by September, really, it's almost 3 years. This video had really made me $7,133.90. $7,133.90. What is going on here is that some videos, click-through rate of every video is different. If you are delivering a good content to people, to the community, you're teaching them something that they're gonna relate to, especially when it comes to health-wise, weight loss, music, game, and stuff like that. Those channels are considered education, so your click-through rate will go high. The click-through rate on this video, so the click-through rate on that video is about, I think maybe about $7 per 1,000 views. $7 per 1,000 views. Some videos make you $1 or $2 per 1,000 views. Again, depends on the topic that you're talking about. Last year, 2019, that video alone made me $2,000 on that video. So every month, this video comes up through search engine, through browse features, through suggested videos, and the money keeps trickling in. This video that I'm talking about right now, at this moment, still gives me anywhere from $50 to extra $70 every month. The video that was done almost 3 years ago. So your pay has to deal with your content. What your content is talking about plays a very big role. I have another video that made me 1.something million views as well, but that video was just gist. I was just talking about people and stuff like that. This is called people and vlog. Those kind of video personally, yes, they made me money, but not as much money as teaching. This is education. So collectively, I decided to go back to my old videos to see really which one is making me money, I found out that my top 5 videos on my channel were all about skincare. So people were really viewing that. The video that I produced today, or maybe some people can attest to that, does not really pick up right away. Some videos are very sluggish in picking up, but at the end of the month, all your videos collectively in your channel that were watched by people is what you're getting paid for. So this is why some people are asked, oh, why did you go back to skincare? I love skincare because I am touching life. I'm delivering some message to people, how to change their life, their eating habits, and all whatnot. And also, when you look at me from that video, you will see that I have really lost a lot of weight from the time I published that video to that. So healthy living, touching people's life. I love when people come and say, Katia, you inspire me so much because of skincare or the drinks or the weight loss. You know, I pat myself at the back. Hey, why not? You know, that I'm really delivering some good information to people. And this is why I go back to doing my skincare. The view might be sluggish, but hello, if you are in this journey, I'm back here again to tell you not to give up. Don't give up. However, I will be doing my vlog in another channel, which I will leave the link at the bottom of this video. Go ahead, subscribe to that vlog channel. The channel has been running from last year, but I kind of changed around what I was posting on that channel. It is going to become my vlog channel, my daily living or my weekly living. So guys, thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next